Hello, my name is Gloria Duran, and today is Saturday, April 18th, 2020, and this is for Bio240 at LAPU. So we're going to talk about how the digestive system works. And basically, digestion starts once we bring food close to our mouth, because our mouth gets watery, so our salivary glands get activated. Once we put the food into our body, so into our mouth, we are actually activating digestion. As food enters the body, the teeth start grinding it, and it breaks it down, and then the saliva gets mixed into this mixture. So it then becomes softer, and it becomes what we know as bolus. So our tongue then pushes the food back, and it goes into our esophagus. Our esophagus does expand, so depending on the amount of food and the texture of it, it will expand to adjust. So food takes a few seconds to go down the esophagus and into the stomach. The stomach is like J-shaped. So once the food goes into the stomach, it gets churned around and it mixes with the enzymes known as pepsins. So as well as hydrochloric acid, or depending on the kind of food it is, because hydrochloric acid will help digest or break down or digest certain foods. So from the stomach, food goes into the small intestine, which is divided into three parts. The duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Sorry about that. So the three are crucial in the process of absorption. So basically, the duodenum, which is the first part of the small intestine, is where food mixes with bile. So the bile comes from the gallbladder, and digestive juices from the pancreas. The jejunum is the middle portion of the small intestine, and it's where nutrients are absorbed. It has villi, which absorb dietary nutrients such as sugars, amino acids, fatty acids, and stuff like that. And the ileum is the final section of the small intestine, and its main function is the absorption of vitamin B12, bioproducts, and anything that wasn't absorbed in the jejunum, which is the middle part again. So from here, it goes into the large intestine, and this is where anything else that needs to be absorbed, which wasn't absorbed and the body does need, gets absorbed, and anything the body doesn't need gets wasted. The liver, by the way, produces bile, helps digest with certain fats, metabolizes proteins, carbs, and fats, and regulates blood sugar levels. So the large intestine, from there the food goes into our large intestine, which, like I said, it finishes absorption and it eliminates any waste. So the large intestine is also divided into three parts, which is the cecum, the colon, and the rectum. So the final process is when we excrete waste, it becomes feces, goes out the rectum. And that is the process of the digestive system. Thank you guys. Good night.